Understanding Mathematics for Class 8. Chapter 14. Exercise 14.1. Question number 1. Here we have to construct a quadrilateral PQRS, which PQ 4.5 cm, QR 6 cm, RS 5.5 cm, PS 5 cm and PR 6.5 cm. So at first I draw a rough sketch. Of the quadrilateral PQRS. So at first I draw the base QR, which is 6 cm. And now I am going to draw the point P, which is away from Q 4.5 cm. So taking 4.5 in my compass and taking Q as center, I draw an arc. And the point P is 6.5 cm away from R. So taking 6.5 cm in my compass and taking R as center, I draw another arc which cuts the previous arc. This point is P. Now I joined PQ and PR. And now I am going to draw the point S, which is 5 cm away from P. So taking 5 cm in my compass and taking P as center, I draw an arc and S is 5.5 cm away from R. So taking 5.5 cm in my compass and taking R as center, I draw another arc. This point is S. Now I join SR and PS. PQRS is our required quadrilateral. And now question number 2. Here we have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD, which AB is 3.5 cm, BC 5 cm, CT 5.6 cm, DA 4 cm and BD 5.4 cm. So at first I draw a rough sketch of this quadrilateral ABCD. And now at first I draw the base BC, which is 5 centimeter. And now taking 5.6 in my compass, look, point D is 5.6 centimeter away from C and 5.4 centimeter away from B. So taking 5.6 centimeter in a compass and taking C as center, I draw an arc. And now taking 5.4 as radius and taking B as center, I draw another arc. This point is D. Now I join BD and CD. And now I have to draw the point A. Point A is 3.5 centimeter away from B and 4 centimeter away from D. So taking 4 centimeter in my compass and taking D as center, I draw an arc. And now taking 3.5 centimeter in my compass and taking B as center, I draw another arc which cuts the previous arc. This point is A. Now I join AB and AD. ABCD is our required quadrilateral. And now question number 3. We have to construct a quadrilateral PQRS, which PQ is 3 cm, PQR 2.5 cm, PS 3.5 cm, PR 4 cm and QS 5 cm. So at first I draw a rough sketch of PQRS. And now I draw the base QR, which is 2.5 cm. And now I am going to draw point P, which is 3 centimeter away from Q and 4 centimeter away from R. So taking 3 centimeter as a radius and taking Q as center, I draw an arc. And now taking 4 centimeter in my compass and taking R as center, I draw another arc which cuts the previous arc. This point is P. Now I joined PQ and PR. And now I have to find the point S. Point S is 3.55 centimeter away from P and 5 centimeter away from Q. So taking 5 centimeter in my compass as a radius and taking Q as center, I draw an arc and taking 3.5 as a radius and taking P as center, I draw another arc. This point is S. Now I joined RS and PS. And then QS. PQRS is our required quadrilateral. And now question number 5. Here we have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which BC 6 cm, CD 4 cm, angle B 45 degree, angle C 90 degree and angle D 120 degree. So at first I draw BC 6 centimeter. Angle B 45 degree. Here I am going to draw 45 degree. This is 90 degree and now we have to bisect 90 degree. This is 45 degree. At C we have to draw 90 degree angle. CD is 4 centimeter. So taking 4 centimeter in my compass as a radius and taking C as center, I draw an arc. This point is D. And now we have to draw 120-degree angle at the point D. This point where the 120-degree cut, this point is A. And ABCD is our required quadrilateral. And now question number 6. Here we have to construct a quadrilateral PQRS whose PQ 4 cm, QR 6 cm, P 60 degree, Q 90 degree and R 120 degree. So at first I draw the base QR which is 6 cm. At the point Q, we have to draw 90-degree angle. This is 90-degree angle. And PQ is 4 cm. So taking 4 cm in my compass as a radius and taking Q as center, I draw an arc. This point is P. And now we have to draw 120 degree at the point R. This is 60 degree and this is 120 degree. And now we have to draw 60-degree angle at the point P. This point is S, and PQRS is our required quadrilateral. And now question number 7. Here we have to construct our quadrilateral ABCD such that AB 5 cm, BC 4.2 cm, AD 3.5 cm, angle A 90 degree and angle B 60 degree. So at first I draw AB, which is 5 cm. And now I have to draw 90 degree angle at angle A. And now I have to draw 60 degree angle at angle B. And AD is 3.5 centimeter. So taking 3.5 centimeter in my compass and taking A as center, I draw an arc. This point is D. And BC is 4.2 centimeter. So taking 4.2 in my compass and taking B as center, I draw an arc. This is C. And now I joined CD. This ABCD is our required quadrilateral. And now question number 8. Here we have to construct a quadrilateral PQRS, which PQ 4 cm, QR 5 cm, RS 4.5 cm, angle Q 60 degree and angle R 90 degree. And angle R will be 90 degree. So I am going to draw 90 degree angle at the point R. And PQ is 4 centimeter. So taking 4 centimeter in my compass and taking Q as center, I draw an arc. This point is P. And SR is 4.5 centimeter. So taking 4.5 centimeter in my compass and taking R as center, I draw an arc. This point is S. Now I join PS. PQRS is our required quadrilateral. And now question number 9. Here we have to construct a quadrilateral BEST, which BE is 3.8 cm, ES 3.4 cm, ST 4.5 cm, TB 5 cm, and angle E is 80 degree. Now at first I am drawing BE, which is 3.8 centimeter. At the point E, we have to draw 80 degree angle. And this is 80 degree angle. ES is 3.4 centimeter. So taking 3.4 centimeter in my compass, taking E as center, I draw an arc. This point is S. And now we have to draw the point T, which is 5 centimeter away from B. So taking 5 centimeter in my compass and taking B as center, I draw an arc. And the point T is 4.5 centimeter away from S. So 4.5 centimeter, I take 4.5 centimeter and I draw another arc. This point is T. Now I joined BT and ST. BEST is our required quadrilateral. And now question number 10. Here we have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD, which AB 4.5 cm, BC 4 cm, CD 3.9 cm, AD 3.2 cm, and angle B 60 degree. So at first I am going to draw the base AB, which is 4.5 centimeter. And now we have to draw angle B, which is 60 degree. BC is 4 centimeter. So taking 4 centimeter in my compass, I draw an arc. This point is C and BC is 4 centimeter. Now I have to draw the point D. Point D is 3.9 centimeter away from C. So taking 3.9 centimeter in my compass, I draw an arc, and point D is 3.2 centimeter away from A. 3.2. This point is D. Now a joint AD and DC. ABCD is our required quadrilateral.